Hello guys and welcome on another update on Bitcoin price. Right now I'm looking on 1 hour chart, but I zoomed out to see how this movement from the bottom. Okay, and let me show you what reversal patterns I see here. And the first reversal pattern, you may be familiar with this, and it is really simple pattern. It names Adam Eve. It also could be named double bottom, but it is really simple and really easy to find the pattern. It is a reversal pattern. Usually these patterns occurring during downtrend, and these patterns means that we are reversing. So this is Adam and Eve pattern. It can be found in the bottom of this move, and you can see that we have something similar to this pattern. You can see this V shape here, and then this round bottom here, right? This is Adam Eve. Let me highlight it. Adam and Eve, right? So what is next? Next pattern, it is also a reversal pattern and usually occurs in the bottoms. It is really simple, cup and handle. Really simple pattern. You may be familiar with it as well, and this pattern is usually occurring during accumulations as well, but it is hard to notice that this pattern and this pattern, the Adam and Eve, they are looking really familiar actually, and you can see that we have the cup and handle around this Adam Eve pattern. So we have here a cup, and we have here the handle. This is what I see right now on the price. I know most of you guys are bearish right now, and I totally understand your position. I totally understand why you're bearish. It is okay to be bearish right now. It is normal to be bullish as well. And it is, if you see the market is bearish to you, yes, okay, trade it as a bear. But if you see the market is bullish to you, try to trade it as a bull. Eventually, there will be resolution for any of the side. And look, of course, we have really strong resistance zone, 7,000 level. There is really strong resistance, and we have 6,800, also really strong resistance here, and yeah, it is really hard to break it. We tried here from one shot, didn't complete. We tried here as well. We tried here yesterday and 2 days ago, but nothing is changed. We're still under the resistance. We're still under these patterns. They're still developing, and you can make a lot of trades inside these trading ranges, and it's okay to scalp trades inside these ranges. When I'm talking about these reversal patterns as a part of mid-term move, it is a probably mid-term move. Let me explain why I think so. So we have this bearish move here to the downside. We're reversing it from it in this cup. Then we developing a handle because we can't break 7,000 resistance. It is really strong resistance. So in order to break this resistance, we need to have more power. And how to make more power? We need to settle down all bears, we need to shake them out from the market, right? And of course, we need to shake weak hands, because the market maker is trying to make move by alone, and only after certain moves the crowd is coming and crowd supporting the move. But the initial trade, initial phase of the movement, whales and market makers, they trying to make by alone. So to me, this pattern, sit up, Adam, Eve, and cup and handle, to me, they look bullish. And for me, I think we need to follow up the breakout from 7,000 and 8,000. I'm sorry, and from 7,000 and 6,800. These levels are really, really important. They are really strong, and we need to track them. Of course, I want to share with you another thing, how to calculate or how to find targets for cap and handle. It is pretty simple task how to find the target. You maybe already know it. For those who don't know it, I will show you right now. So we find in the bottom of the cup, right, like this, and we find in bottom of the handle, like this, and we just simply measuring from the bottom to the top, and we get like 50% move, or around $2,000 price change. So what we need to do, we need to simply drag the same amount of the move to the breakout zone and find our target. So I see the target is on 9,000 level. It's on 9,000 level. You can see that we are matching with some resistances here. It is good, but you maybe notice that we have here 27% only, right? But here we have 50% of the move. So we need to find another target for this move, for this cup and handle. Another target is similar, dragging and copy this price range, and just simply dragging up until we see our 49, oh yeah, higher, 49 and 50%. So it's around 10,500. Wow. Didn't expect 10,500 actually, but yeah, it is our targets for this move. Possible targets. I mean possible, right? We need to know where to land our orders to make the profits, right? We need to know the range. So the range right now is around from 8,500 up to 10,500. Really wide range, but you can make good profits from this midterm move. And I'm not talking about leverage. I'm not talking about futures trading. I'm talking about spot trading, about buy and hold for midterm, right? We need to focus on this, because trading such big moves on leverage, it is really risky, and I think nobody can actually trade such big moves stably, make such profits in such big moves, because it is really hard to maintain the positions in such a long period. So it is this explanation about the moves, this explanation about these patterns. It is about the midterm and about the spot trading. Make sure you understand that. And once again, it's okay to be bearish. I know everything about bearish, and I know why you guys bearish. I know that something here is looking bearish. Yes, I agree with you guys, because market can change. Today we see bullish, tomorrow we see bearish, and something changes every day. Something changing. So we need to trade what we see. And if you see that market is suddenly turning bullish, you need to trade it in this way. If you see the market suddenly turning bearish, you need to trade it bearish. Okay, this is simple. Talking this is simple, but it is hard to bring all of these advices to the life. So try to maintain good position size. If you are, like asking everybody, should I buy Bitcoin or should I sell Bitcoin? Should I buy now? Should I sell now? You don't know what you are doing. First of all, reduce the position size, because too big position size will eventually kill your account. Everybody on the market is facing this simple step: reduce the position size. Otherwise, you're going to blow your account. So yeah, and guys, please don't forget to put like below this video. I really appreciate it. Even if this idea will be reacted by the morning Monday, okay, you know what? This looks bullish to me. It maybe looks bearish to you. This is not about who right or who wrong. Don't follow everybody blindly. Try to make your own decisions. Try to analyze the price from your perspective, and try to learn as much as possible. I know everybody right now mostly sitting at homes and doing nothing. Trying to learn. Try to study yourself. If you are new to trading, if you are new to investments, try to study yourself. Don't rush, because market will not go away. It will be existing for a really long period of time. So please don't rush, don't hurry up. Market not running from you. Try to be positive. Try to learn as much as possible, and that will increase your chances to make profit. That will increase your chances to be better person eventually. Okay, I hope you understand my words. Thank you. And if you have any questions, if you are bearish, if you are bullish, let me know in the comments. Please share what you think. Share your chart. I really like to know what is your opinion, and I really like to conversate with you. And yeah, thanks for watching, and goodbye. Stay tuned to my page. Goodbye.